Hey guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block emails in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. Okay, now choose one which you want to block. Like I'm choosing this streak. If you want this mail to be blocked, just go right and you'll find three dot icon. This one, more option. Click on this and you'll find here block. This one, block streak. Now click on this, and if you click on this block, your mail has blocked. Okay, if you want to unblock this, just click on unblock sender and it will be unblocked. Okay guys, so this is how you can block and unblock mails in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.